There's a lot of interconnectivity and dependency between critical infrastructure sectors. And frankly, I think we as a cyber defense community can do a lot more collectively to protect each other.
I'm really happy to be here at Nexus. It's an opportunity to reconnect with colleagues, learn new things, and really focus on some of the key issues in cybersecurity today.
Now it's not just financial services. Now it's not just retail. It's attacks on OT systems, it's energy, it's critical infrastructure, it's food, it's manufacturing, it's pharmaceuticals, it's healthcare, it's everywhere now.
So hey, I'm a big fan of Nexus. This is not about a particular company. I like that. I like the fact that, hey, look, we're trying to think larger than it's just about one particular company. It's very powerful to me.
This is one of the conferences that I actually enjoy the most. I mean, great subject matter experts, great people.
And it's an amazing awakening experience to understand the similarities and then recognize that maybe I could use their tools and they could use my tools and we're solving the same types of problems.